Cabinet space, 2U for DPE, 2U per optional 25 drive day, or 3U per 15 drive day. Network requirements, Cat5 or better cables, 2 gigabit Ethernet switch ports for management. Connectivity, 4 XNA ports, configurable to 10 Gb, 4/8/16 of a gigabit per second fiber channel, fixed after setup, 4x10 Gb for file/ISC. Tools, slotted/Phillips screwdriver. Setup requirements, Windows PC for initialization, USB drive needed if subnet access to EMC Unity isn't possible. To access the web UI for setup, you can choose between automatic or manual IP addressing. For manual configuration, download and install the EMC Connection Utility. This tool allows you to either automatically detect unconfigured storage systems within the same subnet as your Windows client or manually configure an IP address in a configuration file, which the array reads via a USB flash drive. Ensure you download the EMC Connection Utility before starting the installation. Log in into your PC and install EMC Connection Utility following steps. After installing the Connection Utility application on a Windows host, the user needs to open the application and choose one of the available methods to configure the system as shown. Select Auto Discover, then click Next. The Auto Discover feature in the Connection Utility scans your network for unconfigured storage systems. Once the discovery is complete, you can select the desired system, identified by its serial number, SN, and proceed with the configuration by clicking Next. The serial number can be found on a label at the front or back of the system. The Connection Utility allows users to configure the following Dell Unity Management Network settings, as shown in System Name, user-defined name of the system, which can be used for easy system identification. Management Address, network IP address, IP4 and or IP6, that is assigned to the system and used to access Unisphere. Subnet mask/prefix length, network mask used to configure to which subnet the management IP address belongs. Gateway address, router interface on the network used for sending IP packets outside of the local network. Click Next. Review the configuration if changed setting, then click back if OK. Click Configure. The storage system configure can take up to 10 minutes. After the management IP of the Dell Unity system is configured, the user can log into Unisphere.
Open the browser using the management IP login to Unisphere using the default credentials, admin, password, 123#.
Open the browser using the management IP login to Unisphere using the default credentials, admin, password, 123#.
The initial configuration wizard launches the first time you log in. Click Next, accept the license agreement, and click Next. Configure the admin and service passwords. Passwords used to access Unisphere and the service CLI of Unisphere respectively. Click Next. Configure DNS settings and click Next. Proxy server, click Next. Configure NTP server settings and click Next. A Dell license enables features of the Unity storage system. If DNS server info is provided, the license installs automatically, requiring internet access. Other configure we configure manually later. Click Cross after that. Log in into the web mode. Log in into Unisphere web interface, VWeb using admin and your password. Now showing dashboard view, a comprehensive summary of system status. On the System View page, as shown, the Summary tab displays several important system details, like serial number, system model, software version, system time, and average power consumption. The System Health Issues section highlights health-related problems, such as storage, port connectivity, and hardware faults. The bottom front-end port section shows the configuration and status of system ports. On the Enclosures tab of the System View page, the system shows various views of the physical system in graphical representations. As shown in the rear of the system is the default view when going to the page. This is the basic part. More videos covering basic to advanced topics are coming soon. Stay tuned, and thank you for watching.